I just received my Polygon Colossus N9. Bikes Online makes buying a bike super easy. First step is to go order your bike online. After that, it's shipped right to your door. Next, it's building time. They give you all the tools you need to build your bike. So if you just follow their instructions, you'll have your bike built in no time. You just have to follow a few simple steps, like putting on your seat, handlebars, front wheel, your pedals, and then you have to tune your suspension to your weight. And then you pump up your tires, and then you're ready to ride.